During World War II, Uncle Sam welcomed women into the industrial jungle with open arms. They were rivet gun-carrying, torch-toting women who rocked the factories and shipyards. As more and more men left their jobs to go to war, women were needed to take their place, and Uncle Sam pursued them vehemently. But would they do it? Could they do it? 6 million of them responded with a resounding, "We can do it."
It took a special kind of person to leave the home, the confines of the home, and the protection of the home, and go to something like that. And and not just work in the daytime, but work at night. They had all three shifts, swing and graveyard shift. Those women that took those, I tell you, I really do appreciate them.
Wives, girlfriends, mothers, and sisters stepped out of their homes and into the factories with a unified goal to win the war and bring their men home. They traded their mixers and irons for rivet guns and welding torches. They traded their fine hats for simple scarves and their dresses for slacks. They tied up their hair and rolled up their sleeves and got down to work.
All those guys were gone, and thank the Lord for the women building those ships. They did a good job. I'm telling you, my wife during World War II, she worked at Philadelphia neighborhood. She cut sheets of steel. I could give the women all the credit in the world. Rosie the Riveter, thank the Lord, they hung their aprons up, and when the war was over, they went back raising families again.
Life on the home front changed dramatically as increasing numbers of factories converted to war production. The number of women working at these jobs rose by 50%, and what they helped to mass produce was astounding. These women, forever known as Rosie the Riveters, not only accepted Uncle Sam's challenge, they rose to the occasion and helped to win the war. The chairman of the production board, Donald Nelson, said the American war production job was probably the greatest collective achievement of all time.